and the ass of my britches. All right, go ahead and start your time, Dad. Soup is still liquid, it'll pour, so you keep that head on there. Sometimes I've tried it take as long as 7 minutes, but they're supposed to be 5 minutes.
That's down in the top before you put the bucket on?
No, well, you preheat 5 minutes, then you put the and then when it pours, you got a 5-minute period to where it's cold rolled steel.
So I rolled it over, he said, stall it. So I stalled it. When I did, it dropped down. All I had was full ground in the
dang.
Through the windshield.
Through the windshield. Look at
See, they don't, we talk about spins, but they don't train you for the spins.
So he's just going to show you what to do if that happens.
No, I did it by the book. I corrected.
Yeah.
I corrected. It was exhilarating, but it was scared me to death.
Yeah.
I was wondering if they taught you that, like how to get out of things.
Well,
or just
they teach how to get out of that. Everything
is up in the air.
They do up in the air. Yeah. Everything except the spin. Yeah. They won't do the spin.
Yeah.
But he did the spin.
They probably want to live a little bit longer.
Yeah, this guy, my instructor told me that he had tested my temperament and made a decision to do the spin based on how I done the other stuff. Said most people he won't do a spin.
Yeah. All right, yeah. Things are about $500. Well, if you order them from Morganton, $500.
Look, we can go to Walmart and get one of them big tents that they put the picnic table underneath.
Yeah.
We can set the whole tent up right here.
Yeah. You can tell I'm not outside either. It took us about 2 hours to set up our tent. And we set it up on a hill, so we woke up the next morning, all the blood was in our head.
Yeah, but I used to man, I sleep underneath the tent.
Yeah, that's what the Roger and they brought one of those little, just pulls the thing out, pop-up tents, put it in the bed of the truck.
They got some nice stuff like that now,
Air mats. When I got on the air mats, I started feeling seasick. Oh Lord, be hot. That rail right down there, you probably can put your hand on it, but it'll be warm. Yeah, Elliot. Yeah, that weed sprayer come by. It started, breaking up. I took Benadryl and had some little cortisone pills. Come here, guys. Took that shit, and the next day I sprayed some stuff on me for sunscreen. I'm ready to get on that side. Then I sprayed it on my arm. My whole arm broke out again. I had to go wash it off real quick. It was wild. Yeah, after I got home, I ran to my mom. water back to the drain the plastic. Get those off and then pull up, and I'll put the grinder over there. Ow!
You gotta let it sit there for 20 minutes before you take the wedges out too.
Let it wrench in the road.
It's on the truck. It's on the back bar.